A South Korean court has just handed down one of the most historic verdicts in the nation's history. Former President Yoon Suk-yeol has been sentenced to life in prison. The charge? Leading an insurrection by sending troops to paralyze the National Assembly. This is a moment South Korea will never forget. On February 19, 2026, the Seoul Central District Court sentenced former South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol to life imprisonment. He was found guilty of leading an insurrection and abusing his presidential authority. 5 co-conspirators also received heavy prison sentences ranging from 3 to 30 years. The court ruled that Yoon's declaration of martial law in December 2024 and the deployment of troops to the National Assembly constituted a violent insurrection aimed at paralyzing the legislature. Judges rejected Yoon's defense that the martial law was meant to protect democracy, calling it merely a justification, not the true purpose. The court also confirmed that both the prosecution and the Corruption Investigation Office had legal authority to investigate a sitting president. The court described the insurrection as causing immeasurable social and economic damage, tarnishing South Korea's international reputation, destroying the political neutrality of the military and police, and deepening societal division. Former Defense Minister Kim Yong-hyun, who actively planned the military deployment, received the harshest co-conspirator sentence of 30 years. Yoon's failure to attend trial and show any remorse were cited as aggravating factors, though the court acknowledged his age of 65 and lack of prior criminal record. This verdict marks an unprecedented moment in South Korean political history, with a former president receiving a life sentence for leading an armed insurrection against the country's own legislature. Both sides have 1 week to file an appeal, meaning this legal battle is far from over. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this landmark case. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.